Was that a flying potato?
Garfield!
You rang?
This isn't funny!
You're right. It's a knife.
That wasn't funny!
It was an observation. It wasn't meant to be funny.
Look, what was this knife doing in my bed?
Well, if I had to take a stab in the dark, I would say that it was sleeping. Get it? Stab in the dark.
You're not funny!
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
Okay, let me rephrase. Why did you put a knife in my bed?
What makes you think it was me?
Huh, I don't know, because you're the only psycho talking cat that tries to kill me!
Good sir, are you insinuating that I am a cat?
Yes!
Well, you would have a point. Get it? Point.
Look! Stop trying to kill me!
So what you're saying is that you would like me to cut it out?
You're an ass!
Whoa now, that wasn't very knife.
Don't play with knives. I almost just stabbed myself in the face.